Buddy's with the girls. Yes, he is. He's with the girls. Buddy. Buddy, you with the girls, huh? Huh? You with the girls? Yeah, I see. Huh, Buddy? Buddy's with Crystal. And he's with Diamond. Buddy's hanging out with Crystal and Diamond. Get a close shot at Crystal and Diamond. Look how cute they are. They're getting big. Crystal and Diamond is so cute. And Buddy's right here on the other side. Hey, Buddy. He's such a nice boy. Yeah. Hey. Scratch your head. Yeah, you like that. And the girls? You don't want girls? You want to hang out with the girls, Buddy? Huh? No? You want to hang out with the girls? They're pretty girls. Yes, they are. Get a good shot. Yeah. Oh, he just flew on my shoulder. Buddy's on my shoulder. I don't know if you saw that. He flew to my shoulder. Buddy's on my shoulder. And here are the girls. Buddy's on my shoulder. And here the parakeet. My pretty girls. Buddy, would you like to go there? No? Okay. He don't want to go with the girls. Alright.